PHP function with return value. A function can return a value back to the script that called the function using the return statement. The value may be of any type, including arrays and objects. So let's check this. From our last class, we had this function, and it runs like this. So we created the function add num, then we added num1, num2 with a default parameter. Let me take out the default parameter. So we added num1 and num2 with two parameters add num, with a function add num with two parameters num1 and num2, and we sum both of them, sum them num1 plus num2, and assign the results to a sum variable, and we echoed it out inside of the function. But most times you don't want to do this, okay? So we cut the function out here to call the result. Most times you don't want the function to complete the script because you want to use the value from here in another function or somewhere else. So instead of echoing it out here, we can do something called return. So we return sum, that is the result of the sum of num1 and num2. So we are returning sum. So this function has a result, and the result is the sum, and we are returning the sum. Now if we reload our page, as you can see, nothing happens. This is because the function has run completely. We've returned the sum, but we are not doing anything with the result. So we can do something with the results. Example, we can echo out the results. So echo add num, and it's going to echo the result of this function, which is this, and it's going to give us the output here. So let's try it. And as you can see, 25. All right. So this is basically using a PHP function with the return statement. What it does is you use it to get results from a function or the output of a function, and you can decide to use it somewhere else. You can use it anyhow you want to use it. So this is it on PHP function with the return statements.